right, we're here with Dr. Zambito, senior and junior, and we just did a natural case with her, 6 implants, and so could you tell us how you feeling? You just came out of surgery.
I feel fine. Yeah. Yeah. The hardest thing I think was the tapping.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Great. And what did you think of your teeth? What do they look like?
Oh, they're nice. They're beautiful.
You want to give us a nice smile? Awesome. Thank you. And Dr. Z,
Yes.
From a clinical standpoint, what was your experience?
Oh, I think it was fantastic. Everything went very smooth, even though we had a couple glitches, but we could adjust very easily. And doing it flapless is going to save her a lot of healing time, which would be fantastic for her. So we always got to think about the patient first.
Excellent, excellent. And from your, Dr. Z Jr., what from your perspective, just looking at the whole procedure, what did you think of it?
I thought that it was planned out really well. That we had a plan, we changed it, and we still had all the equipment and all the things to do it the way that we like to do it ourselves. So
Excellent.
I thought that you guys had it planned well.
Yeah.
Excellent. And I'm going to include the assistants over here, Penny. What was your take on the surgery?
It was very exciting to be able to learn something new, and it seemed like it was great for the patient. She was able to, go with us with whatever we did and however we had to change the plan, and she worked well with us, and it was great. New experience.
Excellent. So would you guys do it again?
Oh, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thank you for having me today,
We're glad
and
you're
we
here.
appreciate you guys
Thanks for
using
being
Rome.
part of our team.
Thanks a lot.